Hi everyone. Today, I'm sharing a piece of Jamaican culture with you through a well-known folk song. Jamaican folk music is special because it tells real stories from everyday life. Stories filled with humor, struggle, and sometimes important lessons. This music blends African, European, and native Jamaican influences, and it's often passed down through generations. One popular song is Sammy Plant Piece, a Corn Down a Gully. At first, it seems like a simple story about a man named Sammy who plants corn in a gully, a low, wet area that wouldn't normally be good for crops. But somehow, the corn grows plentifully, maybe even too plentifully. Some say the success of the corn might have overwhelmed Sammy, or that others grew envious or grudgeful of his success. In the end, his good fortune might have led to his unalive state. This song might be a type of mento music, which often tells stories about everyday life and its ups and downs, blending humor with real social issues. Through a catchy beat, it teaches us about unexpected success and the risks that sometimes come with it. So sit back, enjoy, and let's listen to the story of Sammy and his corn.
Sammy dead, who say Sammy dead, who say Sammy dead, him no dead oh. Who say Sammy dead, I lie them a tell. Who say Sammy dead, him no dead oh. Sammy plant piece of corn down a gully, and it bear till it kill poor Sammy. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead oh. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead oh. I know Sammy thief make them kill him. I know Sammy thief make them kill him. But a grudge hole and a grudge hole make them kill him. Said a grudge hole and a grudge hole make them kill him. Who say Sammy dead? Who say Sammy dead? Who say Sammy dead? Him no dead oh. Who say Sammy dead? I lie them a tell. Who say Sammy dead? Him no dead oh. Sammy plant piece of corn down a gully, and it bear till it kill poor Sammy. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead oh. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead oh. I know Sammy thief make them kill him. I know Sammy thief make them kill him. But a grudge hole and a grudge hole make them kill him. Hey, a grudge hole and a grudge hole make them kill him. Sammy plant piece of corn down a gully, and it bear till it kill poor Sammy. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead oh. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead oh. I know Sammy thief make them kill him. I know Sammy thief make them kill him. But a grudge hole and a grudge hole make them kill him. Said a grudge hole and a grudge hole make them kill him. Who say Sammy dead? Who say Sammy dead? Who say Sammy dead? Him no dead oh. Who say Sammy dead? I lie them a tell. Who say Sammy dead? Him no dead oh. Sammy plant piece of corn down a gully, and it bear till it kill poor Sammy. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead oh. 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 Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead oh.